And we are right by the elevator and right by the ice. Let's check it out. How nice. It is so cute. Aww. Okay. Yep. We got an ocean view. Not completely ocean view, but they got as close as they could to a full ocean view. That's what's up. I want to thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for making it special. All right, y'all. Pretty big, pretty big. All right. So, once again, you got your full bar. You got the area for your bags. Nice size refrigerator that is stocked for your pleasure. Okay. Got your safe. Extra linen. Ironing board and iron, which I'm going to need. One person can be doing what they do, and another person can be over here getting that face beat, or over there in the shower. All right, RIU, well, so far so good, y'all.
Gotta go get away, hop a train, cup a flight.